Although the limited scope of this book precludes an extensive treatment of metastable equilibrium, a brief introduction to the subject is presented in this section. Let us first consider as an example of metastable equilibrium, consider a slightly superheated vapor such as steam, expanding in a convergent divergent nozzle, convergent and divergent nozzle. Shown in this picture. Assuming the process is irreversible and adiabatic, the steam will follow path A1 on TS diagram. This process A21 from superheated to saturated, and at point A we would expect condensation to occur. However, if point A is reached in the divergent section here, it is observed that no condensation occurs until point B, this point, which in TS diagram lower than point A. And this point B condensation occurs very abruptly in what is referred to as a condensation shock. Between point A and B, the steam exists as a vapor, but the temperature is below the saturation temperature for the given pressure between temperature smaller than T saturated. But the temperature is below the saturation. This is known as a metastable state. The possibility of metastable state exists with any phase transformation. The dotted line on the equilibrium diagram shown in the picture here represents possible metastable state for liquid, solid, vapor equilibrium. Let me provide the picture. This dotted line, metastable condition. This is now a metastable state. The possibility of a metastable state exists with any phase transformation. The dotted line on equilibrium diagram represents the possible metastable state for solid, liquid, vapor equilibrium. The nature of metastable state is often pictured chemically by the kind of diagram shown in the picture here. The ball is in a stable position for small displacement, but with a large displacement it moves to a new equilibrium position. The steam expands in the nozzle in a metastable state between A and B. This means that droplet smaller than a certain critical size will evaporate, and only when droplet larger than this critical size have formed. This corresponds to moving the ball out of the depression will the new equilibrium state appear. Chemical equilibrium is the next section.